and beyond. So over the last 10 years, we have seen the booming of AI, machine learning, and its applications on automotive. We see much better electrical vehicles, intelligent cockpit, better ADAS, driving assistive systems, and also very promising autonomous driving solutions as well. And semiconductor chips are the foundation of all this. And without those chips, nothing I mentioned of would be possible. And to see where this trend is going, so today we are very, very thrilled and fortunate to have invited 5 speakers and 2 additional panelists to join us today to share their visions about automotive and semiconductor industry. So let's welcome them. Today, my name is Julian Zhang. I'm the speech session host today. I'm the board volunteer at CASPA. So currently I work as a senior silicon architect at Microsoft. Also, for the panel session, our host will be our own Brandon Wong. He's the former president of CASPA, and currently he is the VP at Synopsys. This is the agenda today. We are going to have a pretty packed agenda. We will start with a short introduction about our president, Tony Xia, to give a short introduction about CASPA. After that, we will have 5 talks from our 5 amazing speakers. So each talk will be 25 minutes plus 5-minute Q&A. After that, it will be the exciting live panel discussion. It will be at about an hour and moderated by Brandon. And last but not the least, we're going to have a closing remarks and the prize drawing. And just wanted to let you know the prize drawing will be in the end. So make sure you stay in the end to get a prize. Now let's get started. So I want to introduce our president, Haitao, Tony Xia, to give a short introduction about our CASPA. Tony, please.
Okay, thank you very much, Julian. I think as tradition, we always want to advertise ourselves. So CASPA was founded in 1991 by Chinese American engineers in Silicon Valley. Now we have more than 8,000 members and also 11 branches all over the world. I mean, US and also include Asia. So we have president, vice president, secretary, and also BOAs and BODs. They all volunteers. We have our daily job, but I think we have the passion to help the technology innovations and also promote technology for the local communities. That's why we use our spare time, like after work or the weekend, to help to organize these events. So we have symposiums and also different seminars. So it's a great honor to have all these speakers today to discuss things about automotive semiconductors. And besides that, we also have a lot of supporters, which is we have a group of volunteers, and also we have sponsors. We have more than 70 corporation sponsors to help us for working on this event. Okay, go to next page. Yeah, you can see that in the past, we have done a lot of great event. And this is a list of our annual conference and the dinner banquet keynote speakers. You can see that, okay, we have Jason Huang in 2009, and the last year was ARM CEO. We haven't updated our this flyer later. Let's go to next one. Yeah, it was a lot of fun to meet with other people, a lot of people in the industry, right? You can see that in the past we have Maurice Chung to come to our event to deliver a speech, and also Jason Huang, and last year ARM CEO and the Broadcom CEO Hawk Tan. So it was a lot of fun. So you guys need to stay in tune and just become a member of CASPA. then you will get a lot of emails about what a new event we are preparing. And it's always the latest cutting edge technology related to semiconductors. Going to the next page. Yeah, so this last page is talking about our busy schedule for this 2023 event. And you can see that we have a spring symposium, which is today, and also we have a summer symposium coming in during summertime, and also annual conference, dinner banquet. And beside that, there's a lot of seminars, law seminar, financial seminar, and also we have job fairs to helping our engineers, local engineers to find a job, or our local companies to find the talents. And beside that, we also help our next generation to get interested to learning science, and technologies. So this year, we will have a joint event with AMD and also Cupertino School District to do a science fair. So if you have a student at home, you can enroll to become a member of CASPA and participate in this science fair. Normally, during this science fair, we will have a lot of people are doing project and are listening to a lot of successful technology industry people to talking about their journey to become an industry lead. So it's very helpful. And also we have a scholarship. You know, recently, if you have a high schooler, you should notice that there's a lot of college admissions, right? So we have a scholarship to help to recognize our next generation student to which is good at their area in the high school. So a lot of scholarship winner, they have been earning admitted to the college. So this is also a benefit to become our CASPA members. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about today. And please enjoy today's seminar, symposium. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Tony. That's a great introduction about our CASPA. And before we get into the speech session, I want to quickly mention about the prize join. So please, you can scan the QR code on the right-hand side and submit your responses. And by the way, we're going to announce the winner at the end of the symposium. So again, make sure you stay in the end.